Easy Disk Checker is a free and easy-to-use Windows utility for checking, repairing, and recovering data from any drives and flash memory sticks. The application is distributed as a single file, requires no installation, and is ready to work immediately after unpacking from the zip archive. Upon startup, it automatically configures the interface language and applies either a light or dark theme based on Windows language and appearance settings, while also checking for a new version. It is highly recommended to always use the latest version. When the program launches, the main window opens with the drive list button active. Clicking it initiates a scan of the SATA, USB, and NVMe buses and displays a list of physical devices available in the system. For each drive, it displays the model, serial number, firmware version, capacity, and the volume label assigned by the operating system. A hexadecimal editor is available in the context menu, allowing you to edit disk sectors. You can also delete all partitions via the right-click context menu by zeroing out the master boot record. If partitions have disappeared from your drive, the program offers a simple recovery wizard. After scanning, you can restore the MBR or GPT bootloader and immediately open the recovered partition in the built-in File Explorer. By the way, you can create an image of the desired volume directly from the context menu in the Partitions window. After selecting a drive, you can start its verification by clicking the corresponding button. The program will automatically detect all the drive's characteristics and test reading at the beginning, middle, and end. The results window displays summary information about the drive and smart attributes if they are available. Using an NVMe SSD as an example, I will show you what a general read check looks like. Summary speed test. I will not run the write test. For Seagate hard drives, the software supports displaying farm table data, which is their proprietary advanced monitoring technology. For removable drives, you can check the internal model to see exactly what hard drive is inside your external enclosure, as well as the technologies it supports. For USB flash drives, it displays information about the microcontroller and NAND memory and offers a fake capacity check to help identify so-called AliExpress flash drives. The disk image button allows you to read and write a full sector-by-sector image or make a disk-to-disk copy. You can read the image as a standard uncompressed binary file or create a VHDX image, which can then be natively mounted in Windows as a virtual disk. You can also open the image right there in the built-in Explorer to view its files. All Windows file systems are supported, including BitLocker volumes, as well as Linux and Apple file systems. The data recovery section includes features for standard partition and file recovery, RAID management, video recovery from standalone DVRs, and analysis of systems affected by ransomware, though all these capabilities will be covered in more detail in separate videos. And finally, the About button contains a link to the utility support page with a full description, all videos, and a link to the latest available version.